Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great and welcome back to your channel. Today I have an exciting topic for you, especially for the young guys like me. The topic is about 3 sports cars that make awesome choices for your first car. I've done my research and handpicked 3 fantastic options that combine style, performance and affordability. So let's jump right in. First up on our list is the legendary BMW E46. We all know that car, don't we? The E46 is an absolute icon, featured in popular movies and popular racing games like the Need for Speed. The E46 has a timeless design and offers an exciting driver experience. It comes with different engines to set your preferences. You can go for a peppy 4-cylinder engine, perfect for a balance between power and fuel efficiency. Or, if you like more performance, you can go for the 6-cylinder. Next on our list is the 2014 Subaru BRZ. This sleek rear-wheel drive coupe was built with one goal in mind: pure driving pleasure. With its eye-catching exterior, the BRZ is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood, you'll find a spirited 4-cylinder engine that delivers zippy acceleration and thrilling ride. What makes the BRZ really shine is its fantastic handling. The precise steering and well-balanced chassis makes every twist and turn on the road an absolute blast. Last but not least, we have the stylish 2010 Mercedes Benz SLK300. This convertible sports car combines elegance with impressive performance. Imagine enjoying the freedom of an open-air driving at the push of a button with its retractable hardtop. The SLK300 packs a powerful V6 engine under the hood, delivering a refined and exhilarating driving experience. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and luxurious interior that makes it perfect for both your daily usage and exciting weekend getaways. So there you have it, fam. This is the summary of my research about the first car to buy as a young teenager. All of this car is under 10 grand, so you can afford it easily. Whether you choose the BMW, the Mercedes or the Subaru, each one of them has its own unique blend of style, power and driving enjoyment. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any video I upload. Love you guys and peace out.